My role is the Digital Forensic Services Manager here at SciTech. So I oversee all of our digital forensic services, including mobile forensics and computer forensics. So SciTech are one of the longest serving forensic service providers in the UK. We primarily provide digital forensics capabilities to a number of organisations, but we also provide consultancy-based work, training and cybersecurity. SciTech supports the students at the University of South Wales in multiple ways, whether this be through the employer events, which allows us to discuss potential opportunities with students, or then through producing guest lectures on certain subjects that are requested of us. The partnerships between the industry and academia is really key in closing that skills gap going forward. There are a number of key issues across digital forensics that we face day to day which still haven't been rectified, and if we can assist in the university learning this to students, then that produces us better graduates to take on our roles. So I think the primary thing I learned during my course at the University of South Wales, which has assisted in my role at SciTech, is learning the core forensic principles. We also gained hands-on experience with a number of tools which we're still using today. In my family there is a bit of policing background, and I've always been the technical one in the family. So once I seen the opportunity in computer forensics and the roles that could give me, that's what gave me the interest in taking on that course then. I enjoyed it so much that I took the decision after my second year to move from the BSc onto the MComp degree, which then meant adding on an additional year, so it became an integrated master's course. My name is Kristian. I'm the Digital Forensic Services Manager at SciTech, and I studied an MComp degree in computer forensics.